دا زه په کالسکرونا سویډن کې یم. دا سمندر رنګارنګ اوازونه کول ما وی چې په تاسو باندې هم واورم. دا ځکه چې دې طرف ته اوبه دي او دا چې کوم دی که نه دا واوره شوی دی، سنو شوی ده ډېره زیاته. که تاسو ورته لږ غوږ کېدی دې اوازونو ته دا سنو شوی ده. دا زه واپس خپلې کمرې ته روان یم. دا پب دی د یونیورسټۍ ډمخانه چې ورته وایي، او دا واپس لار ده زما کور ته. For you people, I'm going to tell you that I'm going back to my room, and this is the way. I'm in Sweden called Karlskrona. I was thinking that this water was making certain sounds, so I thought to show it to you, because that is watery and it is icy. That is because of that nature. You can say it was making some sounds. And this is my university, if you can see, and that is the administrative block. And I can move to this part. Little bit I'm down, but that is the academic section where there are classes going on. If I can move little bit up, it would be wonderful, because it is snow all over, so it's like difficult, but I'm trying to show it to you. It's like all snow over here, and that's it. I'm now up. That is my bibliothèque, you can say, which is for the books, and that is the academic section of it. And that one is also academic section of my university, in which I'm studying MSc Electrical Engineering. This is the Rotundant pub. And yeah, I love to see these views. They are wonderful. I guess everybody loves the nature. It's not like this that nobody loves it. Yeah. And okay, I guess I should stop it. This is the administration block, and I guess the people who are sitting over here are very intellectual. I guess I should stop it on here. Okay, and that's it.